Yeah, it is. Enjoy it. Sunny skies, a little cloud cover will mix in with it, but look at how warm it is. Some neighborhoods this morning are actually going to see 40s, even 50s at the bus stop. And we're primarily going to see some mid to upper 30s in and around Denver. Nice for the kids. They can get away with just a heavy sweatshirt today. No jacket necessary this afternoon. Upper 50s to near 60 degrees by the time they're getting home. So it's one more warm day, though, before this next storm rolls in. Tomorrow, that cold front's going to race through. Winds today ahead of that front will pick up a bit between about 20 to 40 miles per hour. And then we're tracking snow and cold by Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. At this point, winds have picked up in spots. Here in town, it's actually fairly light, but if you get farther north and northwest, Broomfield, a recent wind gust of 35 miles per hour. Look at Berthoud Pass, 70-mile-per-hour winds. So we're just below some hurricane force status there, up and through and over some of those passes this morning. But look at what that means for temperatures. And again, you've got some spots like Arvada at 48, Erie 49, Broomfield right now 52, compared to some of the 30s that we're seeing through the core of the metro area this morning. So you'll still want a jacket early on. There's a little bit of cloud cover covering parts of the metro area. That'll actually make for a really pretty sunrise this morning. That cloud cover will clear up a bit more here over the next few hours. By about 9 o'clock, we're going to be in the upper 30s to mid 40s, again, depending on some of those winds. And then this afternoon, we're all going to even out right around 55 to near 60 degrees. You can see the winds coming in out of the west, though, this afternoon. Yesterday, we saw a lot of melting. There's going to be even more today in some of those shady spots. Early tomorrow morning, conditions are still dry. We're still tracking some pretty quiet weather through early Wednesday morning. By tomorrow afternoon, we're only going to hit highs in the 30s. The winds will start to shift. Colder air is going to settle in, and we're going to be about 20 to 25 degrees colder tomorrow afternoon. The Wednesday evening commute may start to get a little wet. We're likely going to start to see potentially even a little rain and snow develop, which will then switch over to all snow. That's at right around 8:30 Wednesday night, and then continue into early Thursday morning. So when it comes to commutes, the toughest commute is going to be the Thursday morning drive, and totals could be here along the Front Range at around 3 to 6 inches. Some of the heavier totals will be there along the Palmer Divide. We'll talk more about that coming up, but it is going to be an icy, potentially snow-covered morning early Thursday. Pretty cold too. Highs are only in the 30s through midweek, and then things will gradually start to warm up a bit more with some mid to upper 40s both Friday and Saturday.